Hi, welcome to Treya Makers. Today we are showing unboxing of kitchen tools. So right kitchen tools make cooking more fun. You want to make sure you use the right tools in your kitchen when learning to make tasty delicious food. Kitchen tools are tried and tested. We use them regularly and the result of such products are really good. That's why we want to make sure our viewers also use the same products and have the same results. So this is here you see Prestige Omega Deluxe Granite Build Your Kitchen. This consists of kadai with a glass lid, a diameter of 240 mm, and Omni Tawa diameter of 280 mm, and fry pan diameter of 240 mm. So this contains 3 units and it comes with 2 years of warranty. And let's see what is written on the other side. So these are the material which is basically
granite with the finish coating. It has a superior non-stick surface, PFA-free, two-layer metallic finish exterior, so dishwasher safe, that's important, and it's stain-free interior, and it comes with gas and induction compatible.
So this is a kadai which basically it's a 240 mm and it has a glass lid, so you can see what is cooking inside, and you don't have to keep opening your lid just to see whether it is boiling or not. Then this is the fry pan which is non-stick and it's granite material, so this comes with Omni Tawa 280 mm and it's a non-sticky, so it's easy to make dosa. And this is a product of Build Your Kitchen, and of course it is gas, induction and compatible, and it's a TTK product.
Now let's see what are the main features. Let's see what are the main features of Prestige Omega Deluxe. So this has a durable granite finish coating and then dishwasher safe, as I already mentioned, and it has two-layer metallic finish exterior and it's a superior non-stick surface. Now let's unbox and see. This is priced about 3,500, but at Amazon it comes at much lesser price, and right now during the lockdown they do deliver this product, so if you want this product, please do order in the
link provided in the description.
We are starting unboxing. It's all tape, so I'm just removing the tape. So this is Prestige. So now we are opening the box. See.
The items out of the box. Now let's see how is this. So we open this cover. If you see, this is completely glass, very hard material. This is a knob which is used to so while cooking, if there are any flames which goes out from this knob, and this is a very hard material, so but don't try breaking this. This is a glass, so it will break. And this is a lid which is visible, which is used to make sure the cooking is visible from far, so that you don't have to keep opening the lid every time. This kind of lid top will not get heated even if the glass gets heated, so this is important. So then we have this kadai. So let's open this. So we get the manual and the warranty card, and in the user manual they have written some warranty instructions and safety instructions to make sure this kadai is maintained well. And here it is also mentioned about various features of this cookware. as you can see, this is PFOA free, which means it's a non-stick coating for safe and healthy cooking. And there is a 5-layer non-stick coating is available, which is India's first cookware range having 5-layer non-stick coating with German technology for superior performance. And this is also an induction base. If you look at the base, this is clearly it is mentioned as somewhere here, and this is a made in India product, and it's a induction base. As you can see the dots here, that clearly signifies it's an induction base. And it comes with an elegant glass lid, which is see it perfectly fits on top of this beautiful cookware, and it looks good and even better during when you put it on the dining table. Okay. Now let's see what else we have. I'm just keeping it safe on top of a cover, and let the manual be with that. See the famous tawa of Prestige, and this is again granite. So let's unbox this. So there is also a rubber band which is to protect cover. It also comes with some safety instructions, so be very careful while removing this, and of course they say it is non-sticky, so it doesn't stick. See, yeah, it doesn't stick, see. And yeah, so this tawa is again a durable granite finish coating. It's a superior non-stick surface, and it's an advanced easy clean exterior. And it's a stain-free interior, and it's dishwasher safe. And this is also an induction base, and it's also made in India. Let's keep it here. Now let's see the third and final product of Prestige, which is the pan. So pan also comes with rubber band, as you can see. Okay, so this has a cover coating. This also comes with a manual. Yeah, see, it doesn't stick. And this is also a durable granite finish coating, and it's also superior non-stick surface, advanced easy clean exterior, and stain-free interior. So it is also dishwasher safe, and as you have seen, this also has a 5-layer coating like all other Prestige Omega Deluxe products. And this is also made in India, and it is also induction and gas durable. So it's extremely durable and extremely non-stick. Okay, so let's keep it aside.